Good morning. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Green, what up? Green, don't go anywhere. You won the giveaway yesterday. Dogu-kan, hello. Farhad, hello, good morning. Naomi, good to see you. YBK, good morning. Yokozuna. Yeah, Green, we were like all over the place here. Like, I was like shouting out like, Green, where are you? Where are you, Green? Check out the stream yesterday. Like, I also put it out on the screen. Green, where are you? And we agreed yesterday that we're not going to do a reroll because you're always here. Except yesterday. Except yesterday, and you won the giveaway. So I decided not to do a reroll because they're always here. And so you won the giveaway. Sam, good morning. Dilzik, good morning. And Edward, hello. Good to see you back. Yonix, hello. Oh, you okay? Okay, no problem. Natasha, hello. And Waldo is here. Waldo, hey, good to see you back. Yeah, no problem. Green, the thing is, you won the giveaway. So hopefully you have PayPal. Here's my email. If you don't have PayPal, send me your PayPal address. If you don't have PayPal, we can do Wise or Revolut, which is instant. But send me some. Okay, then. If you have Revolut, it's even more faster. But if you have PayPal, that's fine too. Let me know. Send me an email, and I send it over. It's from Reza Banks, so he's the one. He's the one who sponsored it. So I'm just the middleman. Congratulations, Anna. All is good. All is good. I got the payout from Take Profit Trader to my wallet. 1,340. 87. I think. I don't even know. $1,387. Anyway, my biggest win. Doing great, Waldo. Good to see you, by the way. Where have you been? Where have you been, Waldo? Hope everything is good. All right, everyone. Beanie Player. Thank you, Anna. How have you been, Anna? How's the trades going on? Hope all is well. Okay, this is, by the way, at 93 is a bullish 5-minute order block. And I think we could go lower. Sorry about my hair, but I'm going to the barber shop. I'm gonna have to do a short stream, only 2 hours stream today, because I have an appointment. 5-minute bullish order block. Actually, I'm gonna put this to the top. As payout Tuesday on top step, and the sum deducted Tuesday, and I didn't receive. Usually, as much as I heard, Yonix, it takes them nowadays between 2 to 7 business days. That's what they say, Yonix. So you're all good. They say it's between 2 to 7 business days until they wire the money. That's what I heard from multiple sources. So some people told me they got the money after 1 week. It is what it is, after deduction. So it's in the cards. Camille, hey. Good to see you, Camille. You got your 1,000 from Bulenox. Oh. You had 65. How can someone mistake that? How can someone mistake, like, how much I had? 6,555. Who cares? Hey, awesome. I'm glad, Jay. I told you. It's going to be all right. They're going to send it. Bulenox pays. I also got the message from Apex that the $1,074 has been sent. So I guess it's going to take them around 2 business days as international bank wire transfer. So good payouts. I mean, for my standards, this month was fairly good. I mean, absolutely good in payouts. That was 25. I mean, yes, around $6,500 in payouts from trading. For me, in a month, it's good. And this month, I've spent $1,200 on evaluation accounts and activation fees. But overall, this year, I've spent $4,500 this year. In February, I spent quite a lot. So, but this month, I'm good. So, net positive. I have too many accounts across Apex, Bulenox, and then. Oh, yeah, then. I understand then. Obviously, if you have lots of accounts, then yeah. Alex, good morning. Good morning, Reza. Hey, good to see you, man. We have green in the chat now. You see, we are giving. So here's Reza now. So here's the winner from yesterday. Green is here. All right, let me check the email. All right. I get it. All right. Let me log into PayPal. We have the winner. And the prize comes from Reza Banks, by the way. The one you should be thanking for is Reza Banks. I'm just the middleman. He sponsored the giveaway yesterday. I'm just doing the technical stuff here. Let me just find you here on PayPal. Okay. USD. Giveaway. Okay. Should be all right. Hold on a second. Okay. I think it has been sent. I think. Okay, it's been sent. PayPal confirmed that it has been sent. All right. Awesome. Congratulations. All right. Green won the giveaway. But his Wi-Fi, I told you guys something technical issue was coming on because Green is always here. You're welcome, Green. Green is always here on the stream, and yesterday he was just gone, and his Wi-Fi actually failed, so he couldn't even be here on the New York session, but he won, and that's why the decision has been made that we're not gonna do a reroll because he's always here. Bassam, hey. Good morning. And Dr. Kev. Welcome. You entered the giveaway, but you had to go to the... Camille, trust me, you're an OG as well. If you would have won the giveaway, I would have done the same. For OG viewers who are here like almost every stream, I would say we can do an exception and hold it for the next time. All right. Let's see. Seems like we poked into this order block and now we could be going higher a little bit. We have a 1 hour CB up there. Let's look for some Asia highs. Asia high would be this, right? 148 could be as Asia high. So Yes, Camille, absolutely. I know, right? I was having 4 viewers, sometimes even just one, which was Camille. Really? That was. I'm super happy for everyone and to see the community grow. Not completely. It was just partially filled. As you see, previous day low was just around almost at 20K, but we still have some space until 971, so it was just partially filled. Kind of makes it a little crazy. 4 viewers peak. Yeah, that was the peak. So partially filled the gap, but yeah. Question is, what's gonna happen now? Are we gonna go up to that 1 hour CB or not? I don't have. By the way, yesterday was a flash sale. I couldn't be here on time to put it on social media, but there was a flash sale on DAYTRADERS. 50K trail account was for $19 and no monthly payment, so $19, but I don't know what's happening now. Mr. Tabelka, hello. You went until yesterday? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Tabelka. I do appreciate very much everyone using the code. Thank you. Pinion Mendez, hello. With proper, I found a way. Done a copy trade because I just entered DC or take the profit one off. That's also a risk management style, Jay. That's also a unique way of risk management. So what you're doing there, as long as it's making you money, as you're rotating these accounts like this, that's also risk management style. Yeah, price action was, I mean, I guess we'll see, but for now, I mean, at least the Asia moves were decent. So I'm just curious if we're gonna move higher. We created relative equal highs here, and we have that CB up there. So I'm a little bit, maybe I'm gonna be a little bit early on this, but I might want to go long here. Just don't know if I should. I think I can hold this. I don't have an entry. I'm just measuring the risk here. If I should put a limit order on one of these accounts. Hold on a second. A limit order. I'm going to put a buy limit at 111. Okay, I put a buy limit here at 111. As a possible continuation. 94 would be my stop. There you go. This is my exact limit order. You need entry. Well, this is what I think. There's a small gap down here, unbalanced price range. I think it could spike down and take up this order or pick up this order. Yeah, Dokugan, maybe, I don't know. Stop loss hunter, hello. Oh yeah, waiting for that. Thank you, Aeneas was. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. That's actually, I don't know if I think no, my order still has not been picked up. Okay, now it's got picked up. Okay, let me show you on the chart. Here's the trade. Looking to go for those equal highs up there. The risk to reward ratio is somewhat okay. There is a promo. Haven't checked it. I have to log into Discord. There's a I know that they brought back the basic 5% discount. So because last month there was no discount on the regular accounts. I mean, not the regular, the starter on the or the expert, but now they have a standard 5% discount on those. But I don't know about the rest. Haven't really checked it. Active promotion. Yeah, they have a 25% discount for brand new customers on the Starter Plus account, so you can check it out. No, Alex. This is just a full port. No, this is the probe trade. This is the probe trade, which means small risk. Who knows what's gonna happen? Obviously, the entry is not good, but it picked up liquidity from this small gap down here. This one, and also poked into the lower gap. This. So I don't know what's it gonna do, but the targets are fairly okay. The risk to reward ratio is okay. I think if we go below 94, it's just gonna make a new low. So I'm okay with my stop there. No. Just be careful. Man, I couldn't sleep last night. I don't know. I washed my hair before the stream and now it looks ugly. I'm gonna go to the barber shop straight from here. And by the way, just saying that most of these sales are ending at the end of the month. I don't know what is going to happen next month, but for Bulenox and Apex, I think they're ending it on Monday. I think, not sure about the exact date. All right. All right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Looks a little bit ugly. I was expecting a nice push there, but it's not happening. It's not happening, man. Let me check on gold. Gold is edging higher. Nice. Huh. Yeah. Slowly, but going. And this one, I don't know. Just not looking good. Well, what can we do? By the way, what levels do we have? We broke the order block here. Down here on the 5 and the 15. I mean, we have the new week opening gap still, so it might want to waterfall down. To that 83 level, who knows? Yeah, could be, Jay. Could be. Oh no, Camille. Oh no. Yeah, I don't get it as well. Like, the issue is, I think, is because the 15-minute candle has this long wick here. It might not be able to turn it around until it gets a wick fill. Okay, never mind. We're just gonna wait and see of what is going on. More than one bar two. Usually that indicates a sharper sell-off. Uh-oh, that's not good. I mean, now it definitely shifted on the 1 minute. Could be continuing lower to take out that 84-ish area. Not a good thing. Anyway, on the 1 hour, we still have that gap, and obviously we have the new week opening gap down there. And it's Thursday, so we should be, if we expecting a rally for Friday, we could expect price to close this down. But yeah, let's see. It should be. Liquidity upside. Yeah. I'm gonna have to wait until the London Open. Yeah, I agree, Jay. I think now it's just became pretty unclear. Maybe the 4 a.m. will tell us what to do. But you know, this one looked so great. I mean, we swept the order block. We had a structure shift, a displacement. So technically all the check marks are okay. And we have some nice targets. Not the major, not like super major equal highs, but some good targets upside. So I thought, why not? Bowser, hello. Good to see you. What's up? Oh, the macro time. Yeah, 4:03. By the way, out of curiosity, what happened yesterday at 4:03? I want to see. 4:03. Went down nicely, took out liquidity down there. Yeah, let's see what happens. I'm gonna put a line here to 4:03 as a reminder. Yeah, liquidity sweep. Yo, Bad Mouse. What's up, Air Trader? Let's wait. Oh no. Oh no. The seller up there probably short that keeps sending market sells. Yeah. Could be. In this case, we definitely should be going under the 84. Oh yeah, speaking of ES. It wants to go under. Well, it is what it is. I don't feel so comfortable about this trade anymore, but what can we do, right? It should be good. I was a bit early on this, but it's all right. I totally forgot that I have some coffee. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, there's not much to do. If it takes me out, I think we're definitely have to wait until the 4 a.m. because, you know, there might be not enough volume to decide what to do until then. Why am I so sleepy, man? Oh. You showed the next rally? Yeah, yeah. Looks like buyers are not stepping in here. Yeah. I think so. Or everybody's waiting for that 4 a.m. Shift or open, you know. Everybody's waiting for London and pre-market open. And I think yesterday, what was the time for that? When President Trump announced the 25% tariffs for cars. Did that shook the market? Did that shake the market at all? Or was that after market hours? I don't know. After hours, okay. So it was after hours, so who knows how the pre-market open is gonna react, especially for example Tesla, or you know, US based companies. I don't know. Yeah, they were talking about it. I was reading. This was, well, maybe the market was already priced in. That's true, Bad Mouse. So I was also reading about this tariff. So technically, the market already priced in. Yeah. By the way, speaking of stuff like this, the European Union, some committee or some part of the, I don't know which committee, but they asked European citizens to prepare prepare a survival kit for every individual for 72 hours, just in case something would happen. So it's basically just a guideline, so it's not an order or something, but they released a guideline that every European citizen should be having a survival kit for 72 hours, just in case something would happen. And I was like, what? And this was all over the news, at least here in Hungary. Like, it's not an order, it's just a guideline, but they say that every European citizen should be having shelter and survival kit for 72 hours, just in case something would go off. You know, that's what they said. I was like, what the hell? So food for 72 hours, water, medicine, you know, everything. And shelter if you can. Just in case. I was like, that's good to hear. That's awesome. Yeah. The other last 13 recessions. Yeah. We'll see, Jay. Recession will happen. I have food for at least a month. Yeah, we have our family house in a small town where my mother lives. And it's a nice house, and we have packed up some food I think we can survive for a month. I think, you know. Yeah, yeah, stop loss hunter. So I don't know. Yeah, they don't look so crazy now. Oh, look at this, got taken out. So yeah, I was like a little bit like, what the hell? They never said this, especially not in all the news, like not just the government news channels, the mainstream media here, but other news outlets here in Hungary also talked about this yesterday. Like, again, it's not an order or something, but it's just a quote unquote guideline. Like, just, make sure you have enough stuff for 72 hours. Okay, man. I was like, cool. DAX is tanking. I don't have subscription for that, but I mean, my data is delayed. I'm delayed with about 15 minutes. I'm delayed on DAX futures, and actually it's the old contract anyway, so I think. TLA Trader, hey, good to see you. What's up? European bond rally? Well, could be. YBK is in buys. Well, it can still turn around. I just had a tighter stop because my entry was way higher. And I think it can still go up. I'm going to wait for the 4 a.m. pre-market open. Hello, Teacher FX. What up? Hey. 1 minute order block. Yeah, gotta be careful. I mean, I feel like this can also bounce like 10 points in a second, in a matter of seconds. I wonder if it wants to go lower or not. I don't want to scalp it, but I think it wants to take out that low at 83.75. I think the low is 83.50. It took it out. All right. Yeah, YBK, I know. Nathan, hello. Good to see you, Nathan. Good morning, Albert. What up? Yeah. Well, GG, YBK. But hey, on to the next one. Happens all the time. It's part of the game. Yeah, everybody tries to go long, but let's see what other liquidity area we had. We had this 5-minute gap. Should have seen it earlier that it might want to reach for that. At least the way the candles were printing like that. And on the 15, well, there's nothing else down there. You have to get to the new week opening gap to see that. I mean, sell side liquidity could be this one, this 71 level, based on the 15-minute. Is that an order block? No, not a valid one. There's a 5-minute gap down there as well. Anyway, let's see what it's gonna do. Now we could be seeing a possible shift to the upside. Who knows? Is that I do trades in the wrong account sometimes. Yeah, exactly, Jay. It gotta be careful with copy trading. I see. Well, at least we have a shift now, a possible shift. If you want to go aggressive, you can go long here. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I might gonna take another long position here. I'm gonna take another possible long position. Buy the knife. Yeah, be careful with that. Be careful. Tomorrow your fourth payout available. Let's go, Admirals. Just a second. I'm placing a buy limit at 100. I've placed a buy limit at exactly 100. Not sure if it's going to be picked up. It might going to turn out to be a breakaway gap. Look at this move. Wow. YBK still in. Whew. The nerves. Open drive both up and down. Yeah, TLA could happen. This week can't test my survival gear. Well, Natasha, I know you can. I know you can handle it. You're good. I know you can handle it. I still have my limit order there. Maybe I should modify it. Okay, I put my limit order at, okay, 102. I just got picked up. My stop loss is 84.50. $35.50. Go with 35. Okay. Not the best risk to reward ratio, but anyway, I tried once again to go for a long. Kind of have the feeling that I'm forcing this too much. I'm already in a drawdown. Why am I so attached to the idea to go long on this? It's obviously wants to tank. I see that 71 level quite obvious now. Terrible. Just terrible. Small risk at least. Or computers. That's also risk management style. Man, I am off this trade. 2 stop losses in a row. What is happening, man? Woo. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. For Apex on 4th payout, can I take from 2000 from the buffer? I think you can, but it's gonna be Yokozuna. It's gonna be saying how much you can take out on the request page. It's gonna be saying the exact number. What is the maximum that you can take out? But I think it's after 3 payouts on the 4th one. You should be able. Yeah, yeah, J Trader could be still bearish. We're still bearish. I'm gonna wait for now. That's for sure. For the 4 a.m. pre-market open. I'm 100% okay. By the way, let me check that payout rule at Apex. So here it is. That's what it says. A safety net for first 3 payouts. Applies to first 3 payouts only. The safety net requirement must be observed for the first 3 approved payouts. As for the 4th payout, the safety net requirement is no longer applicable. So there you go. 4th payout should be okay. Right? That's it. It's on the website, so. Yeah, could be heavy selling. Yeah, you're welcome. 6 payouts. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Payout at Apex before there is no cap on withdrawals. 6 payouts. Sorry, I wasn't reading J. 6 payouts, yeah. After 6 payouts, there is no withdrawal cap. Here it is. The Dr. Shuttle and Dr. Shuttle Show. You're sitting in a safety net. Because I try to visualize it, you know. I try to visualize it. Yeah, the VWAP is definitely acting weird. Let's see the VWAP here. The VWAP. Ooh, look at this. Bouncing. Boing, boing, boing. I think it's going to go through. And We have that sell side liquidity at 71. What's it gonna be? There's a 5-minute gap here as well. I think it wants to go lower. Who am I to tell? $71.50 on the mini. I don't know. What about the micro? $71.25 maybe. Not sure. Maybe once that's 72. Anyway, getting closer to the pre-market open. You know, by the way, that low at 71.50 was an Asia low at hold on. Never mind. Your chart looks like Illuminati. You took the 5-minute unicorn down. Wasn't respecting the 1 hour. Zoltan Udazulak. Hello, welcome Zoltan. Cover 10 minis for a quick 20 points, Jay. Who are you, man? Congratulations. Good job. It's a scalp, you know, anytime 10 mini scalps, you know, whatever prints you money. Anyway, only 6 minutes and 25 seconds until the pre-market open. We'll see what it does. And we have the macro here at 403. I'll be curious. And did it... Let me check the mini here. Let's check the mini real quick. There was a sell side liquidity here at 71.50. The low on the mini was 0.75, so missed it by 1 tick, just like on the micro. So 71.50 could still be in the cards. Careful. Yeah, let's see, JTrader. Curious as well. I think the pre-market open could sweep the low there at 71. You see right now. Almost. But it should be, and there you go. And there's a 5-minute gap at 68. Usually scalp 5 minute. 5 minute, you have to have the best focus and nerve system to do that, man. But hey, obviously it's doable. Yeah, any day, man, any day. That kind of money. What? There's no spoke here. Oh. It's all fun and games till you get blown. Yeah, I mean, part of the game. Oh, let me check it. Oh, you traded a macro, right? I haven't. I was making stupid moves. Let me check it. Reza sent me the trades. Oh, that was uh-huh. I see. You guys don't see it. Hold on. How should I put this? Man, I should have done the same. You did it on the ES. Beautiful. Beautiful. Actually, a very nice setup. Very nice setup. Yeah, I like it. I like it. And you know what I like? Reza is actually really just straight applying to the rules. Does not doing anything stupid like I do. He just looks for the exact time and the setup, and that's it. That's all he does, like a machine. In the house, yeah. With Bulenox on the 50k account, if you reach, let's say, 54, you can. Then you begin the next 10-day cycle with. Yes, exactly. Traders Zoltan. Exactly. Pontoshan. You start the next cycle with 52,600. Exactly. Exactly. Tired of stupidity. I can imagine. And it's really a good example, like what you do, because you're only looking for the same exact setup, the same kick, the same stuff at the same hour at the same time, and boom, that's the same pattern. Just execute. And yes, there are some losses, but the winners are outdoing those losses. Nice job, really. That's how it should be done. If I'm in the red with the 50k TPT, can I still make 50%? Yes. Hold on. That's a good question. Oh, wow. That's a good question, Natasha. I'm not sure, because the rule says your best day cannot be greater than 50% of your profits. So if you're climbing out of the hole and you make, so you know what I mean. I think you have to keep it below 50% of your profit target. That's of your profit. Yeah. So your best day cannot be greater than 50% of your profit target. So if your profit target is 3,000, then even if you're getting out from the red on a red day, you know, starting out from a drawdown, then I think you have to stop at 1,500. That's my personal opinion. By the way, we have the open here. So that's an interesting scenario. Good question. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, Gabriel. Reza is busy following the rules. Do not follow the rules. Nah. So cover the loss and plus 1,500. I don't think so, Natasha. I don't think so. I think you have to make, so yeah, no, you can't, because then it's gonna be much greater than your profit target's 50%. It's always a good question to ask support, a good idea to ask support, but I would place my bet that you have to stop at $1,500 on a 50k account. Yeah. So yeah. Set macro win rate from dashboard. So why not doing the same thing as I get rid of some losses? Let me check it. Reza sent me an email. Oh wow. This is great. We have to see this, guys. So this is Reza Bank's dashboard, and look at that, 60% win ratio. That is excellent. Beautiful numbers. Look at this, 60% win ratio, 1.54 profit factor, 77% winning days. Beautiful. Look at that. This is actually beautiful. These numbers are absolutely great. And you know, quote unquote, only 60% win ratio, which is, wow, that's nice. It's the same day, that's no problem. You can go down to mine. If it's the same day, yes. So sorry, I forgot to say, if you go down on the same day and you go, that is no problem. But if you start the day in a negative balance, then it's gonna, you know, you gotta be stopping at 1,500. But in the same day, yes, you can obviously come back from a drawdown. It's the starting balance for the day that's what counts. Yeah. So throughout the day, you can easily go down. Woo, look at this. It's a good thing I didn't go long here, right? We have the macro 403 right now. Let's wow. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. How far is that? 10 points. And what's reach down for that? Who knows? 50. I think it wants to go down for it. Wow. Interesting. Repriced all this. Absolutely, Reza. And you know what? I'm very very grateful for the information because it does help to imagine and to feel that just by following the rules, anyone can make it. Exactly, Jay. Yeah, Reza is a huge motivation. He's, full TP. Congratulate. You know what? Applause for Reza. Congratulations. Trading Star is here. You confuse me with London Open time. Yeah, because we're still not shifted. We're going to shift on Sunday. European countries are shifting back on Sunday, so the stream is going to start at 2 a.m. Eastern Standard too, and the kill zone is going to shift back to now. I would say the kill zone shifted from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. ish area, but we're going to shift back on Sunday. Every time it says pre-market is 2 a.m. and open at 3 a.m. Yes, but now it's Trading Star. Now it's a unique situation this month for this 3 weeks of time. This is when the European countries are still on the winter time zone, and we're switching on Sunday. I guess it didn't say anywhere that there are these two times in the year when European countries are not in the same time zone. Not time zone, but on the same scale. Let's see. I love that. I know. And I know Tommy Me loves it too. Your New York time. I mean, so ICT says that the kill zone, or by smart money concept, kill zone starts from 2 a.m. London Open. London Open is 3 a.m. But right now in London, the time is 8:07, which means at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard, the London Open was 8 in the morning. So at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard, 3 a.m. Eastern Standard, the London Open did not happen because it was only 7 a.m. in London. So now we are pretty much, messed up, I know. But it's gonna shift back, everybody. On Sunday, we're gonna have the shift. So next Monday, everything is gonna be all good. What I can tell you, Trading Star, to make it easier, I'm gonna troll you now. Take a walk until next Monday. Come back to the computer and forget about this. It's gonna be all good. No, really. Isham, good morning. Let's talk about in London time. Yeah, I'm just saying the London Open technically happened 9 minutes ago. Okay, let's talk in London time. In London now, it's, how much is the time? 8:09. I hope. What is going on here? Are we going down to 20K? So the London Open has happened 9 minutes ago. Look at that. We're going down to 20K, dudes. Woo-hoo-hoo. My God. Look at this. It's going to take out the 20K now. I'm going to go crazy. If this one takes out the 20K, that is going to be... Wow. What do you guys think? Is it going to bounce up there? I don't want to chase it, so I'm trying to hold myself back to jump into a short. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, definitely. NQ loves the whole numbers. Yes, it does. It loves it. And that's why I just cannot jump into a trade here. I feel like the 20K is like just screaming. Yes, it looks like it. But first, and that's why I'm saying this can happen first. You know, it can go all the way up to the 70s. I don't like this. I saw this too many times. If I would enter a short here, it would definitely bounce up there. We'll see. Maybe nothing is gonna happen. Oh, I see Trading Star. Well, yeah. I don't know. It definitely is weird. Five minute looks interesting. Nothing. Nothing. Maybe it's gonna sweep some levels higher. I guess it can do that. Super easy. The pre-market open is not for London. The pre-market is for the for the stocks. But yeah, the London Open. So yeah, just reading the comments real quick. 70 minis covered. All right, let's go. So the pre-market is always at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because it's a US market, is what I'm referring to. So the London Open, when the time shift is not messed up, is usually 1 hour earlier, except for now, because now they are opening at the same time. We have the London and the pre-market open at the same time. So I know it sounds weird, but that's what it is. You see, this is the bounce. Five-minute has been somewhat repriced, but it can still go higher. No problem. You're all welcome. 70 minis is a lot, I think. Or at least it could be a lot, but as long as you can handle it, no. It's up to you, man. It might want to go up there. Let me see on the mini there is a gap at 59. On the micro at the same area. Could reprice it. Alright, so far nothing special. We had a bounce, and now I think it wants to reprice that 59-ish area. I mean, rebalance it with an up-close candle. That's a lot. Yeah. Yeah. I was expecting some kind of a bounce here because, you know, it's obviously a round number. Big players are taking off their orders, I think. And who knows that, you know, I mean, we still have quite a lot of time from the London kill zone. So, yeah, anything can happen, obviously. So we're just going to have to wait and see what it does. I think it wants that 59 being repriced. At least that's what I would say. Or rebalanced completely. That liquidity void. And then going higher. It could be a full V-shaped recovery pattern as well. Going up to the London high at 92. Yeah, it's just gonna mess around with everyone here. And now here comes the rebalancing of that level. I wanted to close above 44. Well, we'll see. By the way, where's the VWAP? The VWAP. Yeah, it's close. We could recover all the way back to the opening high, which was up there at 92-ish area. I think it can very well go. All the way. But if not, then it should be targeting the 20K again. I guess we'll see. Out of the shorts. Well, on the 5-minute, there could be some trend line liquidity resting above the 90s. Hard to say. I don't know. There is a small gap on the micro too, but it would be interesting to see what it does here. Anyway, no displacement. MB Trader, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what it does. By the way, let's see the VWAP again. Yeah, it's up there. Well, whatever happens is definitely an interesting move. Wonder if it wants to correct this pattern or not. $540 times 3 on 50K live accounts. Nice. Congratulations. That's a good job there. We're basically stopped here. You have a new 5-minute candle. Nothing really happens. So if it doesn't want to go up there, it might want to go down to the 20K, maybe. Maybe. For another attempt. I'm looking to figure out a way to get into a scalp. Heavy bottom index. Hard to say what to do. We're in a 1-minute gap here. It doesn't feel like it wants to get back to that the London high or opening range high at the 90s. But it could be a tricky one. Anyway. The 15-minute and the 5-minute is closing soon again. Yeah, it's holding below it, so would be interesting to see what happens with it. We're stuck here for now. That's why I don't know if it wants to reprice the London high, or I mean the opening range high at the 90s, or is it going to displace lower again? The rebop is definitely in its way, so there's a small gap on the mini, and also it can be seen on the micro above 83.50 or 75. I don't know if it wants to reprice it. It's not far. Obviously, NQ can do lots of things. Let's just wait for it, I guess. Free longs. Hey, Slade. Are you long? Good to see you. Yeah. I couldn't decide what to do with this. I just really can't. I want to say I do, but this area here is too tricky. Is a tricky one. All right, there she goes. As I expected, wants to go for that 83. What was that level? 83.50 maybe. Or maybe take out this opening range. What was the gap? Yeah, the gap starts at 80. Hold on, the open 84 actually. Interesting. That's a small gap. And it's a slow grind for NQ up here. Stuck here. I don't want to take a scalp here. I was thinking to scalp it and you know, target this here, but it's just not moving, so I'm not doing anything with it. It's just not my type of entry at all. Kirk, hey Kirk, good to see you. Sorry, I forgot to say good morning. How you doing, Kirk? You took that 5-minute inversion for fun? I was looking for a setup, man, but I had 2 stop losses this morning, so down 216 or something. I just couldn't enter. Maybe this would have been a nice entry. I just mark it up here to have some FOMO for later, but I just couldn't. It seems like I should have taken it. That's why I was thinking to enter long, maybe to scalp that range high, but anyway. Yeah, that was dirty, Slade. Yeah. That was absolutely, and you know, I was also very, very eager and also getting super close to push the sell button and chase it down to 20K. Look at this. Unbelievable. I think it just wants to break 92, but because the volume is too slow, I don't want to jump into a scalp. I just don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to do that. We got all the longs. Yeah. I feel so too. I think 92 should be taken out. The question is, how long is it gonna go sideways? And that's why I just couldn't participate in that. That move was just too much. Too much for me. You see? There we go. There we go. It's coming. Higher time frames. Now we have some levels, that's for sure. We have that equal highs 1 hour CB up there. So we definitely have some good levels. That's what they want us to think. Yeah, it's gonna break that. Look at this mother tucker, it's just going higher. Took it out, right? Yeah, took it out. 92, that's it. Man, this is like... And the FOMO is kicking in now. Look at this. There was a valid entry. Let's just go through this together. There was a small fair value gap here. And you know, I didn't go by the rules again. That's my biggest issue. Actually, there was multiple areas to go long. 1 to 2 risk to reward is still up there, but here's one trade. And there was another one down here. Multiple market structure shifts to the upside. Here, here. So, not this one. So multiple shifts. Also here. So shift, shift. There you go. Multiple long entries. Even if you just wanted to scale in. Look at this beautiful entry here. Boom, boom. And the target, buy side liquidity. Worst case scenario there. So this was the move. Very good risk to reward ratios. Look at the 30-minute. I'm gonna switch to the mini because there's 30-minute. Jesus. Look at this. Look at this wick here. What does this tell us? Huge push. But most of these candles with these long wicks are usually like to be rebalanced at least 50% for the wick or of the wick. And we also have a liquidity void below 20k 03 actually. So wow. Looks a little bit ugly on the 30-minute. But still, you know, on the 1-minute it played out. The 1-minute played out. All I should have done is just follow the rules. Yeah. Now that we've taken this buy side liquidity, this was just a minor buy side liquidity here. It could turn around and, you know, like do something like this, like goes like this and then just slowly waterfalling down. That would be awesome to see. Look at that. Run to 150. Take liquidity. Asia high. Oh yeah, Asia high is here. That's a good idea. Also a good plan. But speaking about the plans, I have an appointment in about 30 minutes and I have to leave you guys. So I'm sorry about that. I'm gonna leave because anyway, I wasted my entry here. I had 2 stop losses, so I'm okay for the session. I don't want to go crazy, but unfortunately I do have to go. I apologize. Rough week for me, to be honest. Rough week. I have to be at the same place every time. So thank you for this short session. Thank you for being here, and I'll be back for New York. I'll try to be here for a full AM session in New York. Okay. Thank you again. If you would like to support the channel, please don't forget to use my code. Works everywhere except TRADEIFY. You have to click on the link and use the current monthly promo. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I have to leave, but need to be at places. So thanks again, and mostly Kirk, I will make it up to you somehow, Kirk. All right. I'm gonna come back with a nice haircut. How about that? All right. Thanks again. And for the support, mostly, God bless you all. I'll be back, New York. All right. Cheers.